Susan. Today I'm participating in week 43 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a person or animal in motion. And I've got this dancer. Something with a lid or cover. I've got this bottle of baby shampoo. Image from a magazine. Both of these are from magazines. Anything associated with water. I've got the shampoo with the little soap bubbles. An old telephone number. I just made up one. I'm not putting any of my old phone numbers around. And bonus is colorful washi tape, and I've got that. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. Got a big scare the other day. My oldest son passed out, and that was very, very scary. Took him to the doctor the next day, and his blood pressure was low. So everything else seems to be fine, and I'm very thankful for that. But it scared us. It was like late at night. He was talking to his brother, and he walked out of the room, and I was laying in the bed on my iPad, and I heard a big crash, and I'm like, is everything all right? And I heard nothing, and then once again, is everything okay? And then my youngest son, need some help. And he just passed. He had walked out of Caleb's room and just flat out went down. And it was scary. Mamas don't like that to happen at all. And I don't want to go through nothing like that again. 'Cause he's not one to pass out. But he has lost a lot of weight. And that's what my concern was. I mean, he meant to lose some weight, but he had lately, he's been eating. But he ate a huge bowl of, I had made a chocolate cake with chocolate icing. And he ate a huge bowl of ice cream in that cake. And I think it was just all a combination too much. And it just wasn't good for him. The doctor told him to not to lose any more weight and to stay home, lay on the couch, and eat potato chips and drink Gatorade to get his sodium back up. His blood pressure was like 100, and he said that whenever he got up, or it goes down in your body. If your blood pressure's up, you don't notice it, but when it's low and you get up, because he had been kind of getting those little dark things whenever he was working. He would stand up and it's like everything kind of go a little dark. I've had that happen before, and the doctor said he was on the verge of passing out then. So, but he is fine. He went back to work, and yesterday, this happened on Thursday. Well, Wednesday night. Scared mama and daddy and brother. Poor Caleb, he was so upset. I thought he was the one that something had happened to. I thought a shelf or something had fallen, but he had just fallen. Dylan had fallen against that door. Okay, I think I'm going to put that right there. I'm just kind of doing, since my images are so big, I'm just doing a double spread today. And I'm just going to, add these. Oh, I should have tucked that under. Maybe I can get it up there. These are some of the first ones I ever got and printed, the flowers. And, of course, I didn't know as much. It's on cardstock, but I didn't know too much then about, you know, what kind of papers to print with to get the better images. So, but I don't want to waste them. I'm anxious to reprint some of these to see what they look like on the photo. I use the double-sided like brochure paper to print on. It's thick enough to hold up like for fussy cutting and stuff. And now when I print, I've got a thin double-sided photo paper that I use for let's see, I may want to put that down there. I don't know what I want to do. I'll put it back up here. I forgot about my butterflies. I'm sorry. But I meant to, I use a thinner paper for like when I do book pages, you know, when I print out digitals to make journals. Okay. Not anything else much going on, which I think now is a good thing. I am, oh, that's not what I want to do. I'm just not, I'm losing it. All right. Yeah, but I guess with everything going on, it's nice not to have too much going on. So I add a little decoration there and add in my washi tape now. Just got the stripes. I may go with this color. Just kind of place it around. See, I'm on the second book of the Mystere Parish, the Inheritance one from Jenna DeLeon. We are almost finished with season 5 of Burn Notice. It's been really good, but this season 5 really has made me antsy with everything that's going on. Okay. Find the end here. Well, this one went pretty quick. As always, it takes longer to find the images than it does just to... Let's see. I'll put it there to cover up that. Sorry about that. My phone was full. I hadn't deleted stuff in a while. Thankfully, I was almost done. So I added that down there, and let's see what we've got. We've got a person or animal in motion. We've got this person, this dancer. Something with a lid or cover. I've got this shampoo bottle. An image from a magazine. This and this was from a magazine. Anything associated with water. We've got the soap bubbles. An old telephone number. I just made up one. And the bonus is colorful washi tape, and I've got that throughout. So, oh, I don't know that you could see them, but makes me feel better knowing that they're there, the antenna. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. I love you. Take care. Have a wonderful week. And until next time, bye, y'all.